Hello, topic 6 is food and shopping. Okay, raw cookie dough. This is a recipe for raw cookie dough. Dough je těsto. So these are the ingredients. So you need butter, flour, baking soda, brown sugar, chocolate chips, vanilla extract, some milk, some vanilla pudding, and you make, this is the recipe, how to make it. So in a large bowl you cream, soften butter and sugar until light in color. Add pudding and combine well. Spoj to, mix, stir in vanilla and milk. Add baking soda and flour, half a cup at a time until combined together. Stir in mini chocolate chips, store in fridge or freeze small scoops in the freezer. Enjoy without the worry of eating raw eggs, so there are no eggs in it. Okay, it takes 8 minutes to prepare, and the servings as many as you like. Okay, so which one is it? Which one is it? The raw cookie dough, is it this or this or this or this? Okay, in the lesson I will tell you in our next lesson. So find a cashier. Can you find a cashier? Quick. Yes, here's a cashier. Find a queue. What's a queue? This is a queue. A customer. Here is a customer. Conveyor belt. This is the conveyor belt, the black thing. A till, a cash desk is here. Here's a till, cash desk. A trolley. Here's a trolley. Can you find it? A clothing rail. So this is a clothing rail. A stapler. Ooh, can you find the staplers? Very small. Yes, there's a stapler. A coat hanger. A coat hanger is maybe... Here's a coat hanger. Okay. And a display rack. Display rack, for example, is... This is a display rack. Okay, these are display racks. Right, now we're going to put them into 4 groups. So we have asparagus, aubergine, blackcurrant, broccoli, herring, lamb, pork, raspberry, salmon, tangerine, trout, turkey. So what is a fruit? Do you know what a fruit is from these? Blackcurrant, raspberry, and tangerine. Tangerine, mandarinka. Veg, what's vegetable? Asparagus, aubergine, and broccoli. What is fish? Fish is herring, salmon, trout. Trout je struch. Meat, lamb, pork, and turkey. Okay. Next, so what do? We grate cheese. Scrambled eggs. Míchaný vajíčka, scrambled eggs. Boil, we can boil water. Fry some onions or fry bacon, maybe fry bacon. Chop, you can chop onions. And you can whip some cream. Okay, whipped cream. And next slide. Prepositions, předložky. So this yogurt is of date. Co tam dáme? In, out, to, what do we put there? What a discount, 33%, the normal price. What do we put here? Can I pay credit card or only cash? What do we put here and here? You have to pay the whole sum, dopředu, advance. What do we put here? This book is out stock. No more left. So out stock at the moment and will be stock next month. Zase tam bude. So what's here? What's here? Okay, we'll look at that in the lesson. So what is it? What is it? Co to je? What is it? So on the packet what you buy, are many small black straight lines, da crociare, very close together. What is it? It is the barcode. It's where you go to try on new clothes. Where do you go? What's it called in English? It's the changing rooms, or they are the changing rooms. It's the piece of paper the cashier, that's a spelling mistake, S there, cashier gives you. So the cashier gives you a piece of paper. What's it called? A receipt. Receipt. Okay, so, and we'll play some games afterwards. So, that's all. So, see you soon. Bye-bye.